The Cobb County 911 Center just launched a new resource with the hopes of making interactions between law enforcement and the community safer. The tool, known as Logans List, helps first responders identify people who have special needs or maybe mental health conditions and then respond accordingly.
11 Alive's Paolo Soro is going to break down how this is already helping dispatchers, law enforcement, and the community at large.
Each 911 call is unique. So each response is too here at the Cobb County Department of Emergency Communications. This week, the county's 911 center implemented Logan's List, a database that helps first responders identify people with special needs to know how to properly respond to that call.
We're able to let them know, hey, this person may get violent. They don't like people in uniform. They may be sensitive to lights or sirens.
This is the dispatch center. We do have 43 consoles in this room.
Community Relations Supervisor Desmond Harris says knowing that information could save time and sometimes even lives.
But you see in the news all the time where there's a special needs person or somebody that is struggling with a mental health condition, and maybe they don't need an officer, maybe they need some other type of response.
The act, which created Logan's List, was signed into law in 2021 by Governor Brian Kemp, and Georgia counties have begun implementing the list ever since. Harris says in just one day, they've already had several people sign up for it.
I think it helps with them being able to respond appropriately to the situations. Sometimes you may not need an officer to respond to something. Sometimes you may not need an ambulance or a fire truck to go.
The voluntary document can be found on cobbcounty.org. Harris says it takes just 2 minutes to fill out. Paolo Soro, 11 Alive News.